filed out the financial sheet on this matter, and it does not look like you have the ability to pay on these fines and costs as of right now. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I will reset this for a financial review hearing in 3 months. You're going to receive that next court date while you're at the jail, so make sure you keep track of that. If you do start making payments, we'll forego that financial review hearing. But if not, we'll get you back here and see where things are at in those 3 months. Then I want to turn to a file that I have you here for, a new file. That is case number 26-1374-ST, the people of the state of Michigan versus James Dean Simons, sorry. Sir, you met with somebody from Community Corrections and gave them some contact information. Was that information accurate?
Yeah, should be. Close as I can get.
An address on Everett Street?
Yeah.
And a phone number ending in 1996?
Yes.
All right. And did you have the opportunity to meet with somebody from the Public Defender's Office today?
Yes.
In this file, I have a complaint that alleges that on or about April 18th, 2026 in Clam Lake Township of Wexford County, Michigan, it's alleged in count number 1 that you committed the offense of operating while your license was suspended, denied, or revoked as a second or subsequent offender. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year in jail and or a fine of $1,000 in vehicle immobilization. Do you understand those charges and the potential penalties?
Yes, I do.
You do have the right to be represented by an attorney, and if you could not afford one would be appointed to represent you, but you may be required to repay a portion of that expense. Today, do you plan to hire an attorney, represent yourself, or request the appointment of one?
I'll request an appointed one, I guess.
All right, the court will make referral to the Public Defender's Office for the appointment of an attorney. We'll enter a not guilty plea, and we'll set this matter for a pretrial. That's where your attorney and the prosecutor will get together to see if there's a way to resolve the case short of going to trial. You also have the right to have a bond set. Your bond is based upon the probability of you appearing at future court appointments and the threat that you pose to the community. Historically, counsel, I show in 81, a larceny over 100, 87, an attempted larceny over 100, 90, a driving while license suspended second, 92, a malicious destruction of police property, 94, operating while intoxicated second, 97, operating while intoxicated third, in 2000, a driving while license suspended, 03, felonious assault, 06, attempted assault and battery, 17, operating while intoxicated second, driving while license suspended second, and assault and battery, 18, operating while intoxicated third, 23, driving while license suspended second, 24, possession of methamphetamine, 26, disorderly persons, in 22, a failed to report an accident and a driving while license suspended, and then it looks like he was just sentenced in June out of the 77th district to a driving while license suspended, which I suspect was what he had failed to appear for from before. He was a failed to appear on this matter on May 7th and May 28th, and the praxis scores him at a risk level 8. Mr. Simmons, when did you start serving your sentence in Osceola County on your last driving license suspended?
When did I start?
Yeah. So it looks like in June you were sentenced to 29 days. Did you start serving that sentence in June, or were you in jail when you were convicted?
I was in jail when I was convicted, time served.
Okay, so is that why you weren't here then on May 7th and May 28th?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to make a note of that. Is Austin, you comment? Is that done?
Thank you, Your Honor. We would respectfully request a low monetary bond. He indicated to me that he has been in the area his entire life. He has family in the area, and then attended Marion High School. So we would just request a low monetary bond. Thank you.
So, sir, if we send notice to this Everett Street address, are you actually going to receive that notice?
I do most of the time.
Okay, all right. Now, the praxis says that you were on bond from Clare County. What do you have pending in Clare County?
Driving offenses.
Okay. All right, I am going to release the defendant on his own personal recognizance. I do not believe he poses as a threat. We'll take a risk for the flight. I'll take it under advisement that he was in the Osceola County Jail at the time when he was not appearing here. So, sir, you are to appear as ordered to keep your contact information current, not leave the state without permission, and to commit no new crimes. This charge does require your fingerprints to be taken, so as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering that your prints be taken today before you're released from the jail. And you must also enroll in community correction services. What that is you will report periodically here at Community Corrections. They will see if you're in need of any services. They'll give you some referrals for services possibly, and make sure you're up to date on your court dates as well. Do you have any questions for me about your bond conditions?
No, I guess not, sir.
All right, now before you're released from the jail, you're going to have your next court date, so make sure you keep track of that because there's not really going to be an excuse for you not to appear next time. You understand that?
Yeah, I got a hold out of Missaukee County too, so.
Oh, Missaukee has a hold on you also?
Yes, I guess so.
All right. Counsel, anything else for the record?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you, jail.
Thank you, Judge.
And that